How to choose the right niche in medical virtual assistants?
Choosing the right niche in medical virtual assistants MVA is crucial for success, as it allows you to specialize, stand out, and attract the right clients. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you select the best niche. 1. Assess your skills and experience. Do you have a healthcare background, nursing, medical billing, transcription, etc.? Are you skilled in administrative task scheduling, EHR management, insurance verification? Do you have technical expertise, medical coding, telehealth support, digital marketing for healthcare? Example, if you were a medical coder, specializing in medical billing and coding would be a natural fit. 2. Identify high-demand niches in MVA. Some profitable and in-demand niches include medical billing and coding, revenue cycle management, claims processing, telehealth support, scheduling virtual visits, patient onboarding, EHR/MR management, electronic health records, data entry, and maintenance. Medical transcription, transcribing doctors' notes, reports. Healthcare social media management, marketing for clinics, doctors. Insurance verification and prior authorization. Patient scheduling and appointment reminders. Medical research and data entry for clinical trials, healthcare reports. Tip: research job postings on Upwork, LinkedIn, and medical VA agencies to see which niches are most sought after. 3. Analyze market needs and competition. Check demand. Are clinics, hospitals, or private practices outsourcing these tasks? Evaluate competition. Is the niche oversaturated or underserved? Look for recurring needs. Billing, scheduling, and insurance work are ongoing, ensuring steady income. Example: mental health practices often need virtual assistants for appointment scheduling and patient follow-ups. 4. Consider profitability and earning potential. Specialized services, medical coding, billing often pay more than general admin tasks. Recurring services, monthly billing management, provide stable income. High growth areas, telehealth support, have increasing demand. Average earnings: general MVA, $15 to $25 per hour. Medical billing, coding, $25 to $50 per hour. Telehealth coordinators, $20 to $40 per hour. 5. Choose a niche you enjoy. Do you prefer administrative work like scheduling, emails, or technical tasks, coding, EHR management? Would you rather work with specific specialties such as dentists, chiropractors, mental health? Example: if you love organizing, medical practice management, scheduling, EHR could be ideal. 6. Validate your niche before committing. Offer free trials to a few clients to test demand. Join healthcare VA groups in Facebook, LinkedIn to see what's trending. Survey potential clients like doctors, clinics to see what they need. 7. Get certified if needed. Some niches require certifications for credibility. Certified Professional Coder or CPCA for medical coding. Certified Medical Administrative Assistant or CMAA for admin tasks. HIPAA compliance certification, essential for handling patient data. Final step: start small and scale. Begin with one niche, master it, then expand. Build a portfolio, even simulated projects help. Market yourself on LinkedIn, Upwork, and medical VA job boards. Here are some best niches for 2024 to 2025. Medical billing and coding, always in demand. Telehealth coordination, fast growing. Insurance verification and prior auth, high frustration factor equals more outsourcing. EHR/MR management, clinics need help with digital records. Healthcare social media management for private practices.
And that ends our video. Hope this was interesting, and we're glad to have you with us. Thank you for watching. If you like contents like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.